Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to x plus y. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about dv over dx. First the derivative of x, you got about 1. First the derivative of y, you got about dy over dx. So this one we change by v. This one we change by dv over dx. Next, tan v we put on the left, ds we put on the right. Next, this one you got about cosine v dv. This is about trigonometric identity. And this one we can change into cosine v over sine v. And now we can put the integration for the both sides. This one you got about ln of the absolute value of sine v, and we put about c. This one you got about s. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.